Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you how to make an easy chocolate cake that is moist and spongy in the microwave. The ingredients for this recipe are 1 cup of refined flour, 3/4 cup of superfine sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of butter which is softened and is at room temperature, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. I am using sunflower oil. You may use any other oil as well. A teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, again at room temperature, and half a cup of yogurt which is also at room temperature. So these are the ingredients for this recipe. In a larger bowl, we will mix all the dry ingredients together. So I have already added the flour. Then we are going to add in the salt, baking soda and baking powder. Followed by the cocoa powder that we are going to sift. This is to avoid any lumps that may be present in the cocoa powder. Now using a whisk, we will combine all the ingredients well together. Beat it well so that all the ingredients are mixed together thoroughly. In a separate bowl, we will add the butter, oil and the sugar, and beat it with a hand blender till the sugar dissolves. This is how it looks after 3 minutes. You can see that it really looks pale. There goes the first one. There, I think it's done. Add in the vanilla extract. And we'll give it a quick mix. So now we'll add in the dry ingredients in 3 parts to this mixture. Here goes the first part. And beat it lightly till it is combined. We'll add the yogurt alternating with the flour mixture. So we are adding the flour mixture in 3 parts and the yogurt in 2 parts. So this is the first part of the yogurt. This is the second part of the flour mixture. We'll just mix it lightly and then run the motor. Finally, the yogurt that is left in the bowl goes in and we'll mix it lightly. I've added the last part of the flour mixture into the bowl, and again I will just mix it without the motor running, and then it becomes easier to mix it, and that's it. Now I would want to add a little bit of milk so that the batter loosens up a bit more. A little bit of milk at first and then I think this looks good. So we will not be using the rest of the milk, and the batter looks fine. We'll pour the batter into the prepared dish. Make sure that your batter is only half filled in the dish. Any more and you may get a spill while the cake cooks in the microwave. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes depending on your oven. We'll bake it at full power for 5 minutes and then check. And the 5 minutes are almost up. It looks done. Yes, soft and spongy, and it's all done. We'll take it out and cool it on a wire rack. It's been out of the oven for about 3 minutes, and you can already see that the cake has started to leave the sides of the dish. And if you press it, you can see how spongy it is. Look. We'll give it some more time to cool and then take it out and slice it. And here is the final product. Do give it a try and let me know how it went. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.